Hi, it's Dan from Fret Success here. Let's take you through the G7 chord. So the G7 chord is sometimes called the G dominant 7 chord. Just because there's other variations of 7th chord, it just kind of defines it as that is definitely the 7th chord. So let's play it first. I'm going to do the open version here, down on the 3rd fret. And you can definitely hear it's a chord that's going somewhere. It's not a chord that you would end a song with unless you were doing it artistic reasons. So you can definitely hear it's got that suspense that it needs to go somewhere. So we'll take you through that. So the 3rd finger goes on the top there, on the 3rd fret on the E string. Our 2nd finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then we leave all the other strings open and play them. And then we just play our 1st finger there on the bottom on the 1st fret on that little tiny E string. So this one's quite easy to move from, say, a G major down. You can just play a G major shape with your little finger there. And then the change to G7 you can really hear. And all that's happened is you've moved that note from there. You can hear it. You just resolve to C major and you can hear that it just really is a going there chord. So what notes are they? So essentially it's just a major chord, but you add that minor 7th on top. So you've got the G, the B, the D and the F. So the 1st, the major 3rd, the 5th, which is pretty much in all chords, and the minor 7, that F. So the F there. Hope it's been useful, give you a bit more insight into what the G7 chord is, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Make sure you head to the Fret Success website and sign up to the free Fret Success Academy for more tips on chords, how to play the guitar generally, scales, and all sorts of theory. And it's all free to sign up for. You just go to the main page, scroll down a bit, put your details in, and you're there, and you're ready to have that content for life. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.